Once upon a time, in a small village by the sea, there lived a fisherman named Mr. John. Every day, he joined the other villagers on fishing trips, catching enough fish to keep some for himself and selling the rest to earn his living. He lived alone, without any family, and often felt the weight of loneliness in his heart. One day, Mr. John decided to visit a neighboring village to sell his fish. As he walked along the forest path, he came across an unusual sight. A man sitting by the roadside with a tiger cub. Intrigued, Mr. Johann approached him and asked, "Why are you sitting here with a tiger cub?" The man, looking weary and defeated, explained, "I have no money, and my family hasn't eaten in 2 days. If you give me your fish, you can take the tiger cub. I can't care for it anymore." Mr. John hesitated, but his compassion took over. He thought, maybe this tiger cub can bring some joy to my lonely life. He agreed to the trade and brought